Hello everyone. Today we are doing lesson 4.6 and it is on page 157 of your colored math books. Okay, what we're going to do first is we're going to use the distributive property to break apart numbers to make them easier to divide. So it says outline a rectangle on grid paper to model 69 divided by 3. Shade columns of 3 until you have 69 squares. So the total number of squares we're going to have is 69. That's the total number of squares that we're going to have in our rectangle. And then we're just going to do it in groups of 3. So let's start. We'll start right here, and that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, and 69. So there's my box. And it is 3 down, because we know they're in groups of 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. And it's a total of 69 little squares in there. So we've done that. Let's do the next part. How many groups of 3 can you make? So how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. Remember, these are all the groups, so we're going to count individually. We can start from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Let's see if we're right. Crossing my fingers. 23. Ta-da! We did it. Awesome job. All right. Let's go to the next question. B. Think of 69 as 60 plus 9. Break apart the model into 2 rectangles shown 60 plus 9 divided by 3. This is starting to look like what we did when we did the multiplication. Do you remember that? All right, let me get a color up here. So it's going to be plus 9. So I'm going to do it just like this. 60, I'm going to put the 60 up here. And I'm going to put the 9 over in this section. So the 9 will probably be easier. So let me do that first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pretty simple. And now we have to do the 60 part. I already know I have 69 squares, so I'm just going to shade in the rest. Because I know that 60 plus 9 equals 69. Ooh, making my shade a little out of the box there, sorry. Okay, pretty good. All right, check. So I know I have 9 here, and I have 60 here. Next part. Each rectangle models a division. 69 divided by 3. So what did I put in the pink part? How many rectangles or how many little squares are in the pink part? There are 60. And how many little rectangles are in the blue part? There are 9. So 60 divided by 3. Well, I can think, what is 6 divided by 3? 6 divided by 3 is 2, and then you add your 0. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Nice job. Then we're going to add those two numbers together. 20 plus 3 equals 23. And if you count up here, like we did the first time, there are 20 boxes here and 3 more. So we know there is 23. Remember when he counted it to get that number? So we did it by breaking it apart, and we got the answer of 23. All right, let's go on to the next one. 68 divided by 4. All right, so instead of this one, we did 3 down. This time I'm going to do how many down? 4 down, absolutely. All right, let me get my handy dandy nifty little tool. And I'm going to go 4 down. And I'm going to fill up until I get to 68. I just counted them to make sure, all my boxes, to make sure that I had 68 in there. And I do. So I just have 4 down, but I have a total of 68 inside. All the little boxes add up to 68. Now let's see what they ask us to do. How many groups of 4 can you make? How many groups of 4 can you make? Let's count. Here's a group of 4. Here's a group of 4. Here's a group of 4. So let's count how many groups I have total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Let's see if we're right. 17. Nice job. Think of 68 as 40 plus 28. Break apart the model, label, and shade to show the two divisions. All right. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to do 40 over here and 28 over here. So I'm going to get my highlighter. And I know 40 times 4 would be 10. So I'm going to have 10 rows. 1, oops, that one's kind of dark. I think I'm on the wrong tool. So hold on, let's get the correct tool. The pen with the highlighter. Let's see if that works better. It is working very bizarre right now. Technology. All I want is the highlighter to work. All right, let's try it. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so there's my 10 there. And then I'm going to grab the blue over here, and I'm going to go, I know that 4 times 7 is 28, so let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all those in here, and all these over here. So I broke it apart into 2 separate pieces. I have 40 over I don't know why it won't let me write now. All right, so I have a total of 40. Okay, testing it. All right, 40 over here. And I have a total of 28 over here. So now I'm going to think to myself, I split it apart. How did I split it apart? I did 40 and 28. 40 and 28. So 40 divided by 4 was, how many did we go across? 10. And 28 divided by 4 was, how many did we go across there? 7. So 10 plus 7 is 17. So 68 divided by 4 equals 17. 68 divided by 4 equals 17. All right, I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.